How do you submit a public records request?
To submit a public records request from the Citrus County Clerk's office, first visit citrusclerk.org. Click up on the top banner on Records, and then click on Public Records Requests. This brings you to our Public Records Request page. If you scroll down, you can read about the Florida state statutes on public records requests. However, for the purpose of today's video, we're going to practice submitting a request, so click Submit Public Records Request and proceed to Cite. This brings you to our JustFOIA dashboard, which is the system we use to track and submit public records requests. For the purpose of today, we're going to click on New Request. You can submit 3 types of requests: general information inquiries, non-court records requests, and court records requests. Today we're going to do a general information inquiry. Clicking on that brings you to the form where you fill out any and all necessary information about you, the requester, and your request. Any and all information you can provide us in these fields is extremely helpful. This will help us get in contact with you if we have any questions about fulfilling your request. This will essentially make the turnaround time for your request quicker because it will be easier for us to get in contact with you. However, the only field that is required to be filled out in this form is the one that I'm currently typing in with the little red star in it. This is the description of your request box. In this box, please type out your public records request information. Be as specific and detailed as possible in order to best help our staff narrow down what you're looking for and complete your request in a timely manner. The more specific you can be here, the better. Once you finish typing in your records request information, click down on Record Type. If you don't know the record type or it's not listed there, click down on Other. Then you can select the format in which you would like to receive your request. We do paper copies, electronic copies, and only to review and inspect. If there's any attachments that you believe would be helpful in assisting us completing your request, you can always attach them by clicking Choose Files. Before submitting, verify that everything you've entered is correct and then click Submit. Once the form is submitted, your request has been automatically uploaded into our system. You're provided a reference number for your request on this page as well as a security key. These are going to be essential for you tracking your request in the event that you did not provide us an email address on the previous form. If you need to track your request using those numbers, click back on Track Status and then enter the request number and the security key in the boxes provided and click Track Request. When you're done using our system, you just simply have to X out.
If you have any questions about public records requests, drop a comment below.